Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, but yeah, heck, I'm the van guy. I got more vans, a lot of vans. We've got vans and vans and vans. It's a good thing because we're selling a ton of vans. Winnebago 59K non-lithium, 21 feet long Dodge Pro Ram chassis, 6-cylinder front wheel drive. Not 4-wheel, but my gosh, with that weight up on those tires, you can go a lot of places a normal car can't go. Come on, let's go inside. Nice running board step. We'll shoot here in the back. So you've got your medicine cabinet right up here next to the shower head. Your sink folds down, so when you're not using the sink that drains down in here, you fold it up, get it out of the way. Toilet, plenty of leg room, and 3 drawers, all lockable. Nice closet, good hanging space. All the privacy curtains for the shower and stuff are all inside here. You can see this headrest has been raised up. That way, if you want to watch TV or read, these both raise up and down. Control panels back in here for your solar, your charging, the Truma, light switch, tank heaters, propane on and off, USB ports. This is a little sensor that makes all this stuff work. They put these nice little caddy trays in here, so before you go to bed, you can put stuff up in here on both sides. Windows pop open, they're double paned, and they've got great curtains. They're all framed out, so top is your bug, bottom is your privacy, and you can put them together, keep the bugs out, but have a little bit of privacy, and they're all framed in nice. They don't rattle, they don't clang. Underneath here is your table legs. Here's your tabletop, which you can put in here and seat 6 people back here if you got a crazy day that you wanted to come inside. These pillows here do fill this in part way. If you put this table across here, it's kind of hard to get to the bathroom in the middle of the night, so most people just leave it as twins, and they're very long, a lot of room. And if you're not going to use these cushions, you can take those out and put chairs in there if you'd like. 110 outlet on the back side of the sink area. Storage all the way down both sides. Carries a lot of stuff. Compressor refrigerator. 110 and 12 volts. 12 volt is very efficient, and with the compressor you don't have to be, the bubble doesn't have to be exact because it doesn't have propane on board, which is a nice feature. Got a little sink kit, recessed sink for more counter space, recessed 2-burner stove with your igniter, little heat shield here for the cook area, convection microwave. It's got a little storage down here. This is for heat coming out from your Truma system. Both driver and passenger chairs swing around. The driver, of course, uses the countertop and also this shelf that pulls out. Backup camera, 6-cylinder automatic, about 15 miles per gallon. The little black clips are for your privacy curtains to fit into. And then the one up front here, that just swings out and hooks into your visor clip, and it just comes up. So there's no taking it out of a carrying case. It just pulls up, easy to do and put away. The passenger side for eating or doing whatever, it's got this nice little tabletop that folds out of the way. Electric awning, it's got a little light strip in it. Hookup, 110, 12 volts and cable if you wanted to hook something outside. It's got a bike rack for carrying 2 bikes. It's got a ladder. This is a storage area. This is where the cradle is. You take this off, you can move it to the side of the unit to access your roof, to check your solar panel, or to install a luggage rack, kayak racks, that sort of stuff. Generator runs off gasoline off your main tank. It's designed to go down to about 1/4, so if it doesn't run, check your fuel gauge. Blackwater flush here. This is exhaust for your Truma. Tank fill, city fill, sewer hose. Propane's down here. Shore cord goes in this area, and your cable hookup along with your gas fill. Very nice vehicle. I know you have a question. Just call the van guy. You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen, or go to Facebook, The Van Guy. I appreciate your time.